Hey there! If you're managing data pipelines for CRM analytics or another ETL tool, you know that limits on daily runs and concurrent jobs can slow you down. Well, that's where recipePro's recipe optimization engine comes to play. Instead of you running recipes separately and wasting all of your resources, we help you merge them efficiently, saving you time, reducing consumption of your resources, and more importantly, ensuring that your data arrives where and when it should, together. Let me show you how it works. From the recipePro app, click on the Recipes tab. This is where you can select the recipes, see some details about them, and see which ones that you want to merge. To begin, select the recipes that you want to merge. For example, let's combine our sales data with our customer support logs. Both of them run on a daily basis and should be integrated, so it should be fine to run together. Next, you'll go ahead and click Merge Recipes. With that configured, you can then preview what the merge recipe is going to look like. recipePro will process the data and deliver it to your chosen destination. With recipePro's optimization engine, you're not just saving time, you're maximizing your investment by reducing job runs, ensuring data syncs efficiently, and freeing up your system resources. Now, if you're tired of wasting jobs on redundant runs, let recipePro optimize for you. Try it today.